morning, gentlemen. Today I'm still working on my little P.O.L trailer, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing right now. So, like I told you yesterday on the video, I changed I did a bigger bolt and a nut. So the rear leg of the trailer will be stronger. However, I find it like it's a little bit too much juggling. So what I've done, I use those four legs who hold the bed steel frame. So I use one of the leg. I put a notch there, and I explain you why I'm doing that. So I'm gonna take the leg like here, and it's gonna go welding. Just let me have a good look. So I'm going to put a weld there and a weld there, so that will reinforce the bottom of that leg. So stay along. So I'm going to put that leg right in here with my vise. This time I'm going to use my arc welder with a low setting and put it at 90 with 714 rod. So let's do that. So I decided to reinforce the front attachment. Okay, that thing was too weak. He was only holded by these the back, so I put the angle iron. So I'm gonna weld it there on the top, and that should be it. Oh yes, I did. I will reinforce. This is 2 weeks of a 2-week bolt. I'm gonna put the same type of bolt I put in the back. So stay along. Well, gentlemen, I just fixed the front leg and the rear leg. I put bigger bolts. I reinforced the mounting bracket, the rear and the front. And this is the final test. So for the forward part of it, I think you can see that will hold. Then the rear part of it, that's really good. Alright, so oh, I have to fix that. Alright, so that's it for now. Now I'm going to build a shelf for this. Alright, keep it on. Cheers. Alright, gentlemen, so both legs are fixed. Now let's roof that P.O.L trailer. So stay along. Cheers. Alright, gentlemen, so I put the roof. I did the side skirt on both sides, like you can see. I really liked, so I kept the curved roof and I put the 1x6 under, and so you will have that nice curved roof. I just have to do the front portion. Tomorrow that will be that, and I will do the tailgate in the back. And then later on I will paint it outside. It depends how the weather is during the week, but that's what it's gonna be. Alright, gentlemen, so please take care of yourself and have a good one. See you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye bye, Mélanie.